Today I'm going to review the PD20W power bank from AuraShare. I bought this from their authorized official store. So it came up with Type-C cable. So let us try this. As you can see, it shows the charging. So it shows up the battery percentage. So the features of this, it has a Type-C port, USB port, it also shows the specification. It's 10,000 milliampere. So if you press this activation button, it shows the battery percentage and the AuraShare logo. So this transparent plastic in the face of this power bank shows the microchip and the technology inside. So it's very techy, it's very handy, it's lightweight. It has the advantage over power bank that is bulky and heavy. So this is good for two smartphone or any device with battery capacity of 4,000 to 5,000 milliampere. So if you use this with a smartphone with fast charging, it will show up the green PD logo indicator. So I can recommend this, but the only downside or disadvantage is that the face can be scratched easily. So please share, subscribe, and hit the bell button. And thanks for watching. I'm going to post more videos.